Welcome, John Russo from Palm Beach Customs. I want to say hi to you. This is a Jeep we just finished, and I'm going to go around and show you guys what's happening. So this was a complete one of our frame loft full resto builds. Body, rust-free body, sandblasted, white metal blast, chassis completely blasted, everything rebuilt on it. And this one's the V8 304, and we've got the air conditioning in it. This has got a turbo 400 with the advanced adapter kit. It's a 304. Original engine, all rebuilt, all new pistons and rods and cam and upper end, complete head job, you know, the whole nine. We do a GM single wire distributor, and this is a Mopar engine, but we use a GM single wire distributor and single wire integral regulator alternator. You can see how clean everything is in the engine compartment. We make all our own battery cables out of heavy aught wire, interstate black cap battery, power steering, brand new harness, made in USA, aluminum radiator. There's the AC condenser in there. This customer chose 69 Pontiac green. This was the green that came on the Fire Chickens. You know, all the GTOs and the Firebird. 69 Pontiac Firebird. I think it's pronounced, I'm going to probably butcher it, but Vendure green. And I'll actually have a chip on the website. If you're watching this video on YouTube, you can click on the link below and you'll see a whole article with some build pictures, and if you're on the website, then you'll see it on the website, and you can gather more information anyway. So this is basically the stainless steel package. We've got the stainless double tube bumpers, made in USA wheels, made in California, real good quality. These are the original style Jeep rim. This is with the 33 12.5s on it. They originally came with 31s 10.5, so these are a little wider and a little taller. This is a hard top package with AC, like I was telling you. And I'm just going to go back in the engine just for a minute, then I shut the hood. We've got the quick fuel carburetor. Eldenbrock Performer intake. Got the really nice air breathers that are washable, and they breathe from the side and the top. And you can see there's the AC dryer. There's the AC lines right here going in. Come over here. Brand new washer bottle. Right there, overflow tank. You can see the antifreeze. Horn, stainless brake line. This is a power booster. We get them brand new from Summit Racing. And the underneath of the hood is as clean as the outside of the fenders, you know. We use black 8mm heavy duty spark-plug wires. Now I'm going to shut the hood. So bear with me for a second. And so like I said, there's a stainless package. And whenever you shut the hood, you always make sure those are kicked back like that. That way you don't scratch your hood. See, we got the stainless steel vent. We went with the stainless hinges. But I talked the customer into, and he agreed with me, Tom, to go with the factory hinges painted. I didn't want to have too much stainless on it. We got the Jeep logo on the side. You can see how clean she is. Frame off, all new steering box, all the differentials rebuilt. We've got the stainless step pads. I'll bring you inside in a minute. There's your dual exhaust. This is the quiet exhaust. So this is stock with not too loud, but it still sounds like a good little muscle car hot rod. With spare tire on the back. We got the brand new wheel well flares, and I'm going to bring in the passenger side. We've got these doors are a real pain in the butt to redo. You can only get the original doors. You can't get brand new ones. So they take about 3 days labor to do a set of doors. They usually all have cracks right here. End up welding them, doing the body work on them, full paint, and then full rubbers. We got new glass, new belt moldings, new door handles, matching key lock set. We even put a new T-handle in on the back. And this one has a tilt wheel. The I Did It tilt wheel. You can hear the AC running. Blowing cold. This one has the stainless oh shit bar. On the automatics, this one has twin line stick, stainless steel stick kit that I get, made in USA. B&M shifter, AC's made in USA, gauges made in USA. I'm going to turn them on for you, and you can check it out in a minute. These are just awesome. Warranty for life. Of course, it's got the brand new glove box, plastic glove box in there. It's already registered. There's a twin line stick shifting directions for four-wheel drive. All new windshield rubber. You know, the rear view. Visors. This one's got the tan seat package. Call it Spice. So we went with a Spice lockbox. Of course, the stereo's right in here. We got a marine deck, waterproof marine deck. And we have the passenger seat flips up. I'm gonna flip it up. Right? Each build comes with a 3-ring binder with all your warranty info and invoices. And these are the Pope Marine speakers in the wedgies. I call these the wedgie boxes. You get a better picture right here. And they got a place for the passenger to put their drink right there. And we've done, you know, of course, all of them. I do the spray on bed liner on the floors. And we put the cool floor mats in. Now I'm going to walk around this side. See the door panels? We go with these straps. I like them better than the hard units there. These are kind of nice. We go with new door handles. Everything's new. We got the new straps here to hold the doors from opening up. You can see how that door shuts. Absolutely perfect. Watch. Bam. Done. There's your stainless exhaust. So now we're going to come over on this side. I'll give you a shot, and I'll do a walk around in the end here. And you can see all the stainless brake lines, all new body mounts. This customer chose the wood grain Grant wheel. There's the horn. It's got the low pitch horn. Now let me see if I can show you these. Yeah. See the gauges light up? Alright. Now, there's also a button here when you turn your headlights on. This one has a clock. We chose the stainless around here for the bezel for the steering column. But then we got a switch right here, and that is your dimmer for your. Boy, you can see it. So that switch right there is a dimmer. In each one of these builds, we put a dual port USB. Let me see if I can do it. I'm trying to reach over. I should have done it from the other side. Now let me switch hands. Okay, so there's the dual port for your iPhones. It's got a nice little black plastic cap. You can't even tell it's there if you're not using it. I'll fix that when I walk around. So this is 69 Fire Chicken Green, I call it. It's got a nice color to it. It really looks like this Jeep belongs out in the woods hunting, you know? So you would think it was a factory color. It's actually meant for the Jeep. It definitely works. So I'm gonna walk around. I'm actually in the shade. This is the entrance to our shop. The sun was so bright. We got all new bezels. You can see that lit up. The sun was so bright. And you can see the quality of the paint. Everything is ultra fine, high solids clear. We use a clear that uses basically 2 to 1. So 2 quarts of clear, 1 quart of hardener, no thinner. When you don't put thinner in the clear, it doesn't have to leave the clear, and it leaves a better quality. It's a high grade downdraft booth clear, and everything is ultra fine, 1500 up to 5000 in buff. I'm just giving you like a little walk around now so you can get the picture. And these things sit right and they handle right. New steering boxes, all new tire rod ends, all 4-wheel alignment, so they go down the road nice. My shop manager said that he took this for a ride, and when you're doing 70, it feels like 50. So that's pretty rare in these Jeeps. So you got them. We got them dialed in. If you start going too high with the lift, then you lose the integrity of the ride. So you get, there's some good shots, side view right there, side profile. So again, 79 Jeep CJ-7 V8. And I actually bought this Jeep from a guy in Florida. He's gonna actually, hasn't seen this. I'm gonna send him the video. This was his old Jeep. He'll about have a heart attack when he sees it. He's a good guy. But I built this for a husband and wife out of Cape Coral, Florida. And I'm not gonna, reveal his full name, but his name's Thomas, and he's a great guy to work with. He knew what he wanted. And I, made a few suggestions along the way, and he agreed. And I think we got a nice product here, and we'd be glad to do one for you if you guys are interested in building. Now this thing leaves with a 3-year unlimited mile engine warranty. The transmissions and transfer case, same deal. Brand new drive shafts with greasable U-joints. I mean, the whole, everything's rebuilt. So you're basically, really, it feels like a brand new Jeep. I mean, you saw the interiors. They smell like a new Jeep. You're getting a new Jeep, but it's, 79. How old's that? 89, 99, 2009, 2019 is 40 years. So this Jeep is 40 at this point of this video. 42 years old. Brand new. I just wanted to fix that cap on the, so there's where your USB is, okay? And this customer got a soft top too. So that's going to go in the truck when it gets delivered. So he has an option of soft top, soft doors, or the hard doors. And a lot of times we'll do the Jeep half doors, the YJ half doors, or just a bimini or a soft top and soft doors. And appreciate you watching. Again, this is John Russo from Palm Beach Customs, and we'll catch you on the next video. Have a great day. This one went 15 minutes, so it's a good rundown of everything we do. All new mirrors. I can keep going forever. I can talk forever. All new wiper blades, new wiper arms. Nice unit. Make it a great day. Thank you.